Peace FM 104.3. Woodmeat Take.
Sinyina cripple world economy and bibia ekoso e wo wiase te se de coronavirus aye. They say mo party na awo aban a e wo sisi a mo kenkan budget in November. Projections are mo ye ne ahoduo ni nyina corona ba ye ama wiase aye bibia e wo ho ene ade. Now, a free bra Ghana started recording case. It was March 12 or so. Babisi Sabri, Yantutu ye, Ahumboa, the Abino ye, any idea. From your point of view, as party Amawo Abain, Etemozay?
It's rather unfortunate. Say, you are born in say, Ajivia Sinina Afa. Now, as we speak now, no, close to 2 billion people, Shadema. Brunibeka under lockdown. Na 15th of March, President the measures, social distance protocols nearby. No, sometimes in our countries, baby, na omundu baby aye do no. Na baby, how shall US? I feel normal. I started contact tracing now. Omoye. Since no US, nipa over 1 million are infected with disease, you know. Now close to, and I say that 66,000. Now there almost every time now cost so majority say do best 68,000. Nipa dudua ewu. Nipa dudua ewu. Ushe UK. Afe na omankasa prime minister na mu corona ni bi eche no.
On na danfo no omo nyini sa de no
na ne hoto no but o hwe omo a de ye wo ha say social distance o hwe even as we speak now in US UK they are not ensuring social distance omo chia Trump we o cheche anko for still ono wa na dwen say face mask nya do be she bi kra na kanto wa encourage ne nkofo mo so ahye bi. It as we speak now even in UK contact tracing almost shedan and started some way o. Emma to the extent says we yare and also obi nya bi na de ne ko hospital a omo je ne to ha no mo hwe na o ya cha dey aside that be fie mo amuni ni wo fie a yare ne che no yembe tesimo kra omunya adaje kra abetesimo
yen UK for any adaje enya
but Ghana under his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo we shall tell ma she Ghana ye culture tibi e chiechi ankofo wenchi obi kra no ya asemu ya time president here say yenja nchia pe fiti ho meka on the 15th of March na me na ye sakwesi adano na ye na ase asori o memenda kwesi ada nyina obi oba ye bia obi atwem a no wevu obi atwem a no wevu sa leadership our president e show ye as far back as 15th March no eno na nyame adom young court to say other countries to say Italy to say UK to say US and other places no omo akono ye de na ikọ nanim kakra but we share conference so a bar and also a positive mind in terms of your economy na there e didi akompa if you say fitita ma dey ba ya ano ye say ye din president ayen say from April to June obia water bill free from April to June omo consume below the lifeline no best 100 we no omo no ye de becha omo but omo consume above that no and also 50% ye de more ye lockdown also no ye no aduane over 400,000 per day akwebi picture me who and now say President Ben Pan wetu ama edokun ni sardine da wo Ghana ha President Ben wo Ghana ha wetu me abeche dokun ni sardine na we Akufo-Addo sardine no kan na ye be se num enewom Miss Adia Mehunya and the man son and I. Nimqua dear or say way yes Adi Papa B. Over 400,000 people. And if I brought you out in Namoi, so buying band over you say 400,000 people, yeah, more hot meal a day. In addition to hot meal, no, you share dry food, rice, oil, all kinds of things. The other can't come on soon and say public spirited, loving people so on their own. And so chiche nyama bebre. Yeah, new patriotic party. Now what you mean we 2 out our 275 constituencies no. Yeah, the Veronica buckets, sanitizers, yeah, the nyama bebre akochiche to make sure say all public places are nipa gather one no. Yemfa Veronica buckets ni bin si ho, yeah, the samna can ho, yeah, the sanitizers can ho. In all the constituencies. Apart from that, yeah, members of parliament, yeah, ministers, biara born home modern say, show care and compassion towards the vulnerable people of our country. Apart from that, President is 600 million. And they are told her say, because of lockdown, problems by any nema, and businesses are conform no. Yen so ma sing kakra. To the extent say, some of the way no are down pa na there and no put the be grant yen yesika e dey more wan sanche back and no 2,000 and no be grant e dey more. So I did akoye budget mu no krani sa sika nyina no enka sebi ye dey bibi foforo enka say yen kwara omo eco free senior high enka omo be wie. But for some time, no omuti fie. Nge sika ebianke de be ko. Apart from that, because say party no any ya buy any proactive into no problem e buy problem we so say do so the senga ya buy papa no ha nko invest in the purchase of oil and gas nka ya nda do so for 5 years. Now, sorry, Anna, who simple internal problem say, I went to me and solve businesses collapse, employment bar form, your interest rate, of course, your deficit level, double digits, your inflation, of course, your GDP follow, massive unemployment. Now, also, Kevi. But also, we are doing cry. You said that because of Niama air cone. Problems are a woman into. You said that the politics crowd to change. Say Yinara, young fan support to a buying led by His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Nyempe kwae be faswa, you best solve a problem here. It for the past 3 months, see, a buying aqua who here mupa. But Ukraine so no, unsa yen buy within just 3 years no. Yeah, sir, yen ya problem omo call IMF for policy credibility. Wow, shit. Oh, call IMF. Also, policy out here no. Go for Jundi into IMF embra. Now to win your credibility. And know that the employment freeze this and man be no buyer. You quite a school over the years, no. But
another argument of the NDC is that mono mobile no mo benya fortune bia party bia nya be fortune no extra oil wells a mo ba benya e de aka ho ene sika mo manya but say sa oil ni nyina no ye kan bo mo sika e free mo ba no mo manya sika aban bia nya bi nti sa nema we amokeka no e normal sa aban bi oho bia betimi aye
obi bobo o say odribble more e create chances ashe goals more nti why are there what I say anything over 8 years. When you and drilling oil baku say cry and fan candy over 2 years no. Utana power 19 years. The oil and exploration this. President Kufuor no buy no be streamline the operations of GNPC. And they to discover oil in commercial quantities. You discover oil. Table so and ama benua do take. No so I don't go and ya no cry say. Meanwhile, no problem to me as far back as 2008 no. Yanfa the oil no you disqualify no and cut the computation of our GDP. It is in 2010, 2011. And NDC for etume at the car. That is the only year omunya GDP of 14%. If you got 2%, 3.5%, 7%, just say basa. Na yaba, na sa focus bio. Ni discover oil bio aka ho a. O say enoti na ya de naka what be that? Obi who go beauty contest o say who affinity that win here. Na beauty contest na ya kono. Get the economy ni asha wonsa. So na me no. Get the economy ni asha wonsa. It also ye niema nyame ebe so beta wechi na wetumi expand we economy ni. It ya ye niema nyame ata echi. Ya ye your friend is planting for food and job, and also and also planting for food and jobs adana. Yeah, free SHS. When we free SHS and government collapse, government collapse. Free SHS, Senka NDC for years.
No, I was say they ask who be papa bia NDC who.
Me who be na be papa o hanka who be bisa say dey bisa no am so who be papa nti na wan bisa me bisa say be papa ben but on koka say ya discover additional wells niti and na ya ade na eno ti dey to abama ayen say dem kan no ya ko beauty contest dey ne ho afa ene ebe yi no me ho afa say o say o ho afa nti na we win nanka den ne ne ye ko ye
and then
because look and me catch around so say and yeah well no kekenso it's because we've done certain things abua in the future of this country senka NDC for na one nya covid here go man ya collapse because at some point you know almost all my we now man to don't pay anamebwa now we now man to yakasa we now man to don't pay all that they were saying and acknowledging is that our internally generated income about 99.9% yeditua salaries yeditua statutory payments and interest payment asan dia kan nyina just ekobo besia ya changing the dynamics of our country yeah we never channel send this for and they are planting for food and job economy ni begu NDC for and they free SHS economy ni begu NDC for and they training college allowances economy ni begu NDC for and they nurses training college allowance economy ni begu o me na no mai sanye man nyina mo to be anye na dun so na wo no on a proper and accurate and exact investment and fair investment fair idea of an investment because I can spend more what energy sector makania ensisu for the past 3.5 years in kasa income say where now can you na in to generate the can you see so obi ye na adwuma call bano no obi anya ahoden no mso nya energy no mo de ye de omo ye nti de ye de nyankopo ankasa de be na say but in terms of say nipa that's any adwen a ode ye ade ma na ye de and this in ban ye ho kra won nyama ye omo ban ye ho ba kokra
moti be dwa wonu mu
enu ndana ene de
send people NDC memo kra because feti wo hwe recent address
Peace FM 104.3 Wood to me take